In the mid-1980s, the Socialist Federal Republic of Yugoslavia made a significant move to establish its independence in the realm of military manufacturing by introducing its own version of the Soviet T-72 main battle tank, MBT. The result was the M-84, a tank that entered production in 1985, with a total of 652 units completed. Despite the promise of this endeavor, production was cut short by the Yugoslav Wars of the 1990s. However, the experience gained from producing and modifying the M-84 laid the groundwork for further advancements in tank design, particularly in the newly independent Croatia after the breakup of Yugoslavia. The Croatian tank industry, centered at the Đuro Đaković production facility, which was heavily involved in manufacturing the original M-84, embarked on a modernization project to create a more capable version of the M-84. This project culminated in the development of the M-95 Degman, a modernized main battle tank that was designed to address the challenges of contemporary warfare while incorporating advancements in armor, firepower, and battlefield survivability. Compared to its predecessor, the M-84, the M-95 Degman was designed with substantial upgrades, most notably in its armor protection. The M-95 features a blend of composite and laminate armor, which provides enhanced protection against a variety of battlefield threats. To further improve survivability, explosive reactive armor (ERA) blocks, specifically the Israeli Elbit RRAK system, were fitted to critical areas of the hull and turret. These upgrades significantly boosted the M95's ability to withstand anti-tank munitions and direct hits in combat. Internally, the Degman addressed one of the key vulnerabilities of the M84 by better separating the ammunition storage from the crew. This design choice aimed to reduce the risk of catastrophic explosions in the event of a penetrating hit, thereby improving crew survivability. The tank also incorporated modern technologies, including a thermal imaging system for improved night fighting capabilities, an upgraded communication suite, and a more advanced fire control system, FCS, all of which enhanced the tank's effectiveness in various combat scenarios. At the heart of the M95 is a powerful 12-cylinder diesel engine that produces 1,200 horsepower, an upgrade over the engine used in the original M84. This engine, combined with a twin-transmission system, gives the tank a top speed of 45 miles per hour and an operational range of 430 miles. The chassis utilizes an independent torsion bar suspension system with 6 road wheels and 3 track return rollers on each side, ensuring the tank's mobility across diverse terrains. The M95 retains the formidable 125mm 2A46 M5 smoothbore main gun, a weapon system commonly found on Soviet and Russian MBTs. The gun is fed by an auto-loader, a feature that reduces the crew requirement to just 3 personnel, a driver, gunner, and commander. The M95 also features a remote weapons station, RWS, mounted on the turret, providing additional firepower and battlefield awareness for the crew. While the M95 was a significant leap forward for Croatia's defense industry, its production was hindered by the aftermath of the Yugoslav Wars and financial difficulties. 2 prototypes were built, one to represent the Croatian Army's operational standard and the other for potential export as the M84D. The M84D variant was specifically designed with export in mind, as several nations, including Kuwait, which already fielded a substantial number of M84 tanks, showed interest. However, despite the initial promise, the M95 project faced substantial delays, and only 4 tanks are believed to be in Croatian hands as of 2014. Funding constraints and shifting defense priorities have put the long-term future of the M95 in doubt. It is not currently in formal service with any nation, and the prospects for mass production appear slim in the face of shrinking defense budgets worldwide. While the M95 Degman itself may not see widespread adoption, the lessons learned from its development continue to influence Croatian military modernization efforts. The Croatian Army has plans to upgrade its fleet of existing M84A4 tanks to the M84D Degman standard. The M84D shares many components and design improvements with the M95, including the enhanced armor and improved electronics. This upgrade program was expected to be completed by 2015, allowing Croatia to extend the operational life of its tank fleet without committing to an entirely new vehicle. The M84D is closely related to the earlier M84A4, which evolved from the Yugoslavian M-95 project. This project produced 2 prototype tanks that later fell under Croatian control following the breakup of Yugoslavia. Today, Croatia maintains around 78 M84A4 tanks in service, while Kuwait fields 149 M84AB tanks. Both nations have expressed interest in upgrading their fleets to the Mi-84D standard. The M-95 Degman represents a bold effort by Croatia to develop a modern and competitive main battle tank that could not only serve its own military needs but also attract interest from international buyers. Despite the project's setbacks and its uncertain future, the M-95 incorporates several key advancements in protection, firepower, and crew survivability that have the potential to influence tank designs for years to come. While it may never achieve full-scale production, the M-95 remains a testament to Croatia's capability to innovate in the field of armored vehicle development.